Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody needs some help just producing this. And this is relatively easy. It's just one circle, two circles, three circles, maybe four circles. This might be better to do just one at a time because this circle is not equal. These two flowers aren't equal. So let's grab this ellipse and let's put it right on top of our drawing. You can kind of see how they're going to overlap, and then we can go right here to the center. Now let's take and move our logo up. Let's put our nudge factor on like 6 inches. Let's nudge that up. Nope, let's put it back. Let's do this. Let's zoom in here. I hope you can see those red lines. Let's Control D and make a duplicate and move that right to there. And then we need to kind of look at it because I looked at it and these peach stripes actually do go through the word. So Control D and make a duplicate. Holding down the control button, it's going to flip. And I think we're good to go. And like I said, see how this center part is kind of squished together. But we need to get this part right first. So let's nudge our logo out of the way. And let's get some colors. Let's get the Smartfield tool, go and get the Eyedropper tool, go to that pink color, fill that in. Okay, you see what happened? My logo is blocking the Smartfield from working up there because the logo has a white box around it. So let's nudge it completely out of the way. Let's take that color away by left clicking. Let's take, now it'll fill in all the way. Now we need to go and get the green, Eyedropper tool, click on the green, fill that in and fill that in. Now you have one of them complete. Let's right click, no outline. Now this is going to be a little difficult because it's the same color. So we're going to just nudge this down and kind of eyeball it. What we can do, if you could, for a moment, you can make them different color, or let's just do this. Let's just put no color and let's make a yellow outline and maybe you could see it on top of there. Let's nudge this back. There's that line from the previous. Let's see if we can't virtual segment delete key that line. Yes. So let's nudge our nudge distance or our image back. Good. I hope you can see the yellow better. Now we're going to have to go way off the page to kind of group all that yellow. Control G. And then I'm going to set my nudge factor, remember 6. We don't want to forget. I'm going to put it 0.2. And I'm going to move that over. Whoop, I didn't make a duplicate of it. Most of the time, I don't like doing this. I like to do it symmetrical or even, but since this is not, you almost have to do it like this, 0.02 now. Grab that. And there we go. Now, when you take the logo away, and I'm not going to have to nudge it anymore. Now what we can do is, because both these are going to be green, take the Eyedropper tool, and since we've already got the same green, we can fill this in, fill that in. Okay, I got a leak somewhere. That shouldn't work, or shouldn't be. I'm gonna have to convert them to red so I can see them now. And let's set our nudge factor on like 2 inches. And let's nudge this away twice, or once is good. Now let's try the Smartfield tool. Okay, whenever I have something like that happens, I can almost see that line is thicker than it needs to be. I'm just going to go view, make sure we're on enhanced. And I'm going to go up to Object, and ungroup it. I'm going to see if we don't have more. Yeah, there was a problem. We had more than one copy. So don't move stuff away, nudge stuff away. So grab that and nudge it up a couple of times. Grab that and nudge it over. Grab that and nudge it down. We might have them on the same, it might be the same on both of them. Somehow I made them maybe, and normally I could back up and undelete or delete this video, but this is a pretty good lesson. If the Smartfield tool leaks on something that shouldn't leak, that's probably why. Now let's take the Smartfield tool, and this is the green part. No, that's the pink part. Green, 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 green. Get the Smartfield tool again. Get the eyedropper, go over and take a sample of the pink, pink, pink. Now, we nudged that, but I've changed the nudge a couple of times, but I think we're still on 2. There we go. Now, let's delete this, delete this, delete this. Now, when you move something around, see how it's still gathering some stuff? So go up to Object. Well, evidently it's something hidden right through here. So what we could do is start moving it. See, there's another circle there. So we need to grab that circle and just delete it. Sorry, my calculator's really close. So then when you move stuff around, there's still something down here. So what you can do is hold down the Alt key, and it'll select. So I just didn't have my circles erased. Now it looks better. I'm gonna go ahead and group this together so we can't mess it up. And I can't really put it on top of it because you wouldn't be able to see it. But I guarantee it's dead on. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.